Yo, what is going on, peeps, and welcome back to another little video. Excuse me guys for there's a bit of wind here in out here in Florida. It's a little bit windy. Before I get to work on the car, or I get to installing whatever it is I bought, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I wish that the next year brings you all nothing but health, money, and just all the things you've been asking for, been grinding for. Hope everything comes to you in a good way. But anyways, today we are installing a set of Chasing J's titanium bolts. I have them already on my fenders. Let me show you guys. I have already on my fenders, but these are from Speed Factory. As you guys can see, the titanium there, and these come with a little washer that is not titanium. These do come with a washer that is titanium. So anyways, these, let me flip the camera here. These, I'm going to be installing them on my headlights because the headlight bolts, or the headlight size 10 that it has, it's really old and really rusty. They're bolts that are just really old at all in total. So I'm actually going to take one out and I'll show you guys what it looks like compared to, obviously you've probably seen them. These are as old as they get. These are the OEM Honda ones. They've been painted, they're rusty or whatever. So I'm going to be installing the titanium ones. They do say that titaniums should be handled with gloves because they're very sensitive to hand oil or your skin oil or whatever, finger oil. So I'm just gonna take that precaution and do it like that, and I'm gonna install it. I'm getting a lot of stickers from these companies, and I might just do a little giveaway of just giving out a bunch of stickers. I got some from August Cascade. I got another one from Circuit Hero. Now I got two from Chasing J. Maybe I'll do a collection of these stickers and I'll give some of these away. So let me show you guys these titaniums. They look very nice actually. So here it is. This is what it looks like. I'm trying to look at the camera to see if the focus. This is one of them, and this is gonna go right here on the headlight one. Let me move my tripod because my tripod is all in the way. This is gonna go right here on the headlight, and it's just gonna go like that with the washer that it came with. Let me go ahead and open the package and I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, so I basically installed one. This is the old headlight. I still need to get my SIR headlights. These are just too old. Even though I sanded them down, they're just too old. So I installed them. Don't look that bad. These are the washers. This is how they look. Titanium washers. I'm handling with gloves as I mentioned, and I don't want the oil from the fingers to mess anything up. This is your old bolt that these are painted compared to these. And yeah, let's go ahead and install them. I got about 6 of them. I'm gonna install 2 on the headlights, and we'll see what I do with the other ones. Let's go ahead into a time lapse. Alright, so all the bolts are installed. Like I said, I need to get these headlights, so they don't really look good with these headlights, but these are the bolts right here. Titanium from Chasing J. Looking very good. And I put these 2 that I had left here. Look very nice. And here. So yeah, you can kind of see side by side compared to this one how much of the titanium it is on that one, and like on this one here, and that one, which is pretty brand new. So they look pretty cool. They look pretty nice. This has probably been like the smallest install I've ever done. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to subscribe. It goes a long way. Thank you guys for tuning in.